First, leave a like and subscribe if you love your parents. If you don't leave a like and subscribe, it means you don't love your parents. The shoebill Balaenoceps rex is a large, stork-like bird native to tropical East Africa. One of its most striking features is its massive, shoe-shaped bill, which it uses to catch prey like fish, frogs, and even small reptiles. Despite its large size, up to 5 feet tall, the shoebill is known for standing still for long periods, waiting for prey. Their slow, deliberate movements and intense stare give them a prehistoric appearance. Shoebills are generally solitary birds, and their eerie silence often adds to their mystique in the wild.